Your Android phone in 2025 is more powerful than ever, and the secret? The right AI apps. If you want to boost your productivity, creativity, and automation, here are the top Android AI apps you simply can't miss. First up, ChatGPT. It now runs buttery smooth on Android, turning your phone into a 24/7 assistant for writing, coding, planning, and learning. Need to summarize a book, draft an email, or get help with code? Just ask, and you get instant, clear answers. ChatGPT is like having an AI brain in your pocket, and honestly, once you try it, you won't want to go back. Next, Notion AI. If your life is getting busier, Notion's AI features on Android are a lifesaver. Auto-generate meeting notes, convert bullet points into documents, or get your week organized in seconds. It's like getting a superpower for managing projects, goals, and random brain dumps, all in one app. Now, for users who love automation, Tasker with the AI plugin takes things to another level. Imagine your phone turning on Do Not Disturb for meetings, sending custom auto-replies, or launching apps with a voice command, automatically. Tasker plus AI equals full Android automation, and you get to be the architect. For those moments when you need a friendly chat, Replica is your emotional AI companion. Whether you're feeling lonely or just want a motivational boost, Replica is always ready. It listens, supports, and even sends you those "you've got this" messages when you need them most. Let's talk about smart searching. Google Gemini and Microsoft Bing AI both crush it on Android. Ask for 5 startup ideas, summaries, or generate images way faster than scrolling through search results. Gemini and Bing are your new co-pilots for instant answers and creativity. Bonus tip: if you're on Samsung, combine Bixby routines with ChatGPT. Now you can control your phone hands-free, send texts, automate your home, and get replies just by asking. AI-powered living is as easy as a voice command. Quick recap: these apps: ChatGPT, Notion AI, Tasker, Replica, Gemini, Bing, and Bixby just turned your Android into a productivity powerhouse. And the best part? Most are free or have a freemium plan, so you can try them right now. Which one's your favorite? Comment below and grab your picks from the Play Store today. And don't forget, the links are down in the description. If you want more AI tools, app reviews, and no-nonsense tutorials, hit subscribe to AutoTech Digest. New videos drop every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.